How many GPUs do you need in your workstation system? There is 7 4090s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then there is a CPU that's AMD EPIC 7002 series with a ASRock Mobo and ECC RAMs. And all of these are being cooled in a EK workstation cooling system. There is a huge distro that has so many inlets and outlets, dual pumps, and two rads. I think these are 360 rads. Insane, insane amount of money and value. And this is actually the distro. This is the block, and this is a Zen 5 SSD slot. I think. No, these are memory slots. You can cool the memories too. Unbelievable, crazy.